Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that was recently reduced in price. This 10-bedroom, 7-bathroom home is a must-see. It comes with stunning views of Mandeville and is located in Monticello Park, Mandeville, Manchester. The owner is motivated to sell this home, making it the perfect time to make this your dream residence or investment property. It comes with generous space, spanning 0.42 acres of lush fruited land. This property provides ample space and privacy for you and your family. The main house boasts 7 spacious bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a comfortable living room, elegant dining room, fully equipped kitchen, cozy family room, laundry room, and a 2-car garage with privacy doors, swimming pool, and gazebo. In addition, there is a separate 3-bedroom self-contained apartment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 112 million or US $727,600. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.